black color, green color, blue color, red color, yellow color, yellow color, yellow color. Kids now coloring alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use black color, the alphabets of A. Kids now draw B. B for ball, B for bat, and use green color, the alphabets of B. Kids now draw C. C for cat, C for car, and use blue color, the alphabets of C. Kids now draw D. D for dog, D for doll, and use red color, the alphabets of D. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, and use yellow color, Kids now draw numbers, and first they draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use black color, O N E 1, the numbers of 1. Kids now draw 2, the numbers of 2, and use green color, T W or 2, the numbers of 2. Kids now draw 3, the numbers of 3, and use blue color, T H R W 3. Kids now draw 4, the numbers of 4, and use red color, F O U R 4. Kids now draw 5, the numbers of 5, and use yellow color, F I V E 5. Kids now draw shapes, and first they draw a square, the shape of a square, and use black color, Kids now draw circle, the shape of circle, and use green color, Kids now draw triangle, the shape of triangle, and use blue color, the shape of triangle. Kids now draw heart, the shape of heart, and use red color, Kids now draw star, the shape of star, and use yellow color, the shape of star. Kids, today draw A, B, C, D, E. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shapes: square, circle, triangle, heart, and star. Black color, black color. Yellow color, yellow color. Red color, red color. Blue color, blue color. Green color, green color. Yellow color, yellow color. Kids, now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, first draw A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. And use black color. Black color. The alphabets of A. Kids, again use black color and draw B. B for ball. B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids, now draw C. C for cat. C for car. The alphabets of C. Kids, now draw D. D for dog. D for doll. The alphabets of D. Kids, now draw E. E for egg. E for elephant. The alphabets of E. Kids, now draw F. F for fish. F for fan. And again use black color. Kids, now draw G. G for God. G for grapes. The alphabets of G. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw H. H for hen. H for helicopter. Kids, now draw I. I for ice. I for ice cream. Kids, now draw J. J for joker. J for jackfruit. Kids, again use yellow color and draw K. K for kite. K for king. Kids, now draw L. L for lion. L for lemon. And again use yellow color. Kids, now draw M. M for moon. M for mango. The alphabets of M. And use red color. Red color. Kids, again use red color and draw N. N for nose. N for nest. Kids, now draw O. O for orange. O for octopus. Kids, again use red color and draw P. P for parrot. P for penguin. Kids, now draw Q. Q for queen. Q for quail. R. R for rose. R for rice. Kids, now draw S. S for sun. S for snake. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw T. T for teacher. T for tiger. The alphabets of T. Kids, now draw U. U for umbrella. U for uncle. the alphabets of U. Kids neither V. V for van. V for vanilla. Kids neither W. W for wolf. W for watch. Kids neither X. X for X-ray. X for Xmas tree. Kids neither Y. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Kids, today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Red color, red color. Yellow color, yellow color. Black color, black color. Green color, green color. Blue color, blue color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use red color. O N E 1. Kids again use red color and draw 2. T W O 2. Kids neither 3. T H R W 3. Kids again use red color and draw 4. The numbers of 4. F O U are 4. Kids neither 5. The numbers of 5. F I V E 5. Kids neither 6. The numbers of 6 and use yellow color. Yellow color. S I X 6. Kids again use yellow color and draw 7. S E V E and 7. Kids neither 8. The numbers of 8. Kids neither 9. The numbers of 9. Kids again use yellow color and draw 10. The numbers of 10. Kids neither 11. The numbers of 11 and use black color. Black color. Kids again use black color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. Kids neither 13. The numbers of 13. Kids again use black color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. Kids neither 15. The numbers of 15. Kids neither 16. The numbers of 16 and use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw 17. The numbers of 17. Kids neither 18. The numbers of 18. Kids neither 19. The numbers of 19. Kids, again use green color and draw 20. The numbers of 20. Kids, today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.